This is September 27, 2024, showing another day where thousands of birds finding shelter at this Maya Mandapam, including few blackbirds which have come here finding shelter, which you can see. You can see only big birds from here. Small ones, that is the offsprings, used to be at the nest. See how many birds. It's a whirlpool of birds. Now imagine if commercial boating facility, it's not a facility, commercial boating activity that is carried on, how much these birds will be disturbed. These habitats will be disturbed. And also you can see another day where, see how much contaminated and polluted the water has become now. This is a very normal day where you can see a lot of bottles, sanitary napkin covers, various other plastic covers. In the water during morning and evening times mostly.